Ladies and gentlemen, this love story is nearly 15 years in the making. And when you think that Brano is pushing 30, that's a long, long time. Myself and everyone here have never been more proud to celebrate with you two today.
Today is a day of mixed emotions for Kathleen and I, as Mark is the last of our children to get married. Emma and Mark first met in transition year. Mark was actually studying German, but wanted to go on the French exchange to Bergerac, where he met Emma. For us, it's the best of both worlds.
Dans la santé et dans la maladie, pour l'aimer tous les jours de votre vie. Désormais, vous êtes unis par le
All that remains for me to do is to wish you all the happiness in the world. May you have the luck and good fortune like Kathleen and I had. And just remember that through your marriage, while you may have ups and downs, once you have each other, you'll be fine.
Marc, tu as été le sujet de tellement de nos conversations. Je n'oublierai jamais tes pas de danse sur du Usher et tes polos rayés de l'époque. Tu es une personne formidable, je t'aime et je ne te remercierai jamais assez de rendre mon amie aussi heureuse chaque jour.
I will never forget the day when we were leaving Bergerac and Emma had gone. But I remember looking at Mark as he looked out onto the river when the sun was setting, and I remember thinking that boy's heart is absolutely broken because he was crazy about Emma from the word go. I'm incredibly grateful to be standing here in front of you today, in front of all these lovely people, all your friends and family, and hopefully our new friends as well, celebrating this day with you. Thank you very much.